Here's some cards for Dub Bears 2938. Wes Welker from Absolute. Tom Brady from Threads. Wes Welker Blue from Threads. Number to 350. Lance Maroney. Wes Welker. Chad Jackson from 07 Score. Lance Maroney from Prestige. The franchise Tom Brady from Score insert. Teddy Bruschi Score. Chad Jackson from Leaf Rookies and Stars. Lance Maroney from Get Iron Gear. Duel of Mike Vrabel and Roosevelt Galvin from 06 Topps Total. Lance Maroney from Flair Ultra. Chad Jackson. Lance Maroney. Chad Jackson. Tom Brady. Tom Brady from Kickoff. I need to hurry this up, I think. Lance Maroney. Wes Welker. Tom Brady. Tom Brady Tribute. Tom Brady the Thick Gold Card. Tom Brady. Icons Tom Brady. Lance Maroney. Rodney Harrison. Wes Welker. Mike Vrabel. Tom Brady. Wes Welker. And 2 Anthony Gonzalez's. And I'll show the Randy Mosses in a different video. Alright, here's the rest of the cards. And these are all Randy Moss cards right here. Base from Absolute. Base from Threads. Base from Certified. Base from Score. Insert from Score, the franchise. Base from Kickoff. Blue from Upper Deck StarQuest. And a base from Bowman. Alright, and just let me know.